how do we take a chaotic, noisy world and actually figure out what to do next? Whether you are a human being or a machine, the challenge is exactly the same. Imagine a local tea stall. The owners, Mira and Jonah, want to know exactly how much tea to brew each afternoon. But the moment they try to figure it out, they are hit with a wall of variables: morning weather, foot traffic, exam schedules, even the temperature of the wind. It's overwhelming. Often, when faced with a massive problem, the mind just freezes. We try to grasp the entire complex system all at once, leading to a kind of panic before the math even begins. The very first step to breaking that freeze is observation. For humans, this means focusing our attention on one specific thing. For machines, it means recording data, capturing a trace of reality, like a single temperature reading or a customer count. Until an intelligence, human or artificial, actually chooses what is worth noticing, all of that raw experience and data is just noise. Intelligence begins with filtering. Let's say a customer named Omar makes an observation. Whenever it rains early in the day, the tea stall gets crowded in the evening. He hasn't discovered a universal law yet. He has found what we call a pattern candidate. To turn that candidate into a valid pattern, it needs to pass a test. It requires repetition, it requires the surrounding context, and it requires a fair check against the evidence to confirm the sudden crowd was a genuine signal, not a bus breaking down nearby. AI uses this exact logic, building from basic numbers to advanced learning. On this textbook page, the AI mathematics ladder scales upward, from numbers and vectors to matrices, probability, and optimization. Qualitative observations are converted into vectors, organizing information mathematically. Ultimately, AI is simply mathematics applied to pattern discovery. It acts as a map to help navigate a chaotic world. Once an intelligence has a reliable pattern, it builds a model, a structured way to make educated guesses about what will happen next. Every prediction leads to an action, creating a ripple. This starts with contact, turns into movement, transfers energy, and results in lasting change. Navigating this ripple requires the agentic loop. The system receives a signal, forms an observation, interprets it, and then makes a decision. It sounds highly technical, but a machine predicting tea sales and a person choosing a new career are both relying on this exact same cycle of observing and deciding. A choice made today represents a trajectory. A 1-degree deviation in a model's logic feels invisible at first, but across years, that slight tilt creates a vast distance between where you plan to be and where you actually land. So, what happens when that path goes wrong? Imagine our AI agent predicts a massive surge of tea orders and automatically purchases extra milk, but it completely missed the fact that the physical delivery route is currently under 3 feet of floodwater. This failure happens inside the action gap. That is the critical window of time between a decision being made and its effect becoming observable in the real world, a window where reality can unexpectedly change. AI agents have excellent memory and rapid access to tools, but they completely lack a sense of value. They cannot weigh what truly matters in a human context. This is why there must be a strict division of labor. Machines calculate possibility. They tell us what could be done based on the patterns. Humans provide the judgment to decide if that action is safe, fair, and responsible. If we collapse what a machine could do and what we should do into a single automated step, our intelligence is incomplete. Mira and Jonah now use the AI to augment their own hard-earned experience. It highlights patterns that once hid in the noise, letting them make decisions with a resolution they never had before. This diagram illustrates the first principles ladder used to navigate complexity: understand reality, simplify noise, question assumptions, model patterns, and test against evidence. Then humans complete the loop, deciding based on values, acting, observing ripples, and learning. This framework scales human agency. It provides the clarity needed to steer these tools with confidence, ensuring we remain the architects of the outcomes we want to see. True intelligence is the deliberate work of understanding reality and carrying responsibility through uncertainty.